Hello everybody, I'm Laurie Toscano and I'm here on a beautiful day on Cape Cod in the town of Mashpee. We're here today to talk about the facility you see behind me. It is the new Mashpee Water Resources Recovery Facility. Many of you have probably visited Cape Cod in your past and have enjoyed the wonderful, amazing environmental resources that the Cape has to offer. I doubt many of you, while you're here enjoying that relaxation and recreation, have thought about wastewater. But today, that's going to be our focus. Mashpee, like many other Cape Cod communities, understands the need for environmental protection. They embarked on this project many years ago in the planning stages, and the whole point of it is to collect wastewater from existing residences that previously had septic systems and transport it here to the wastewater treatment facility for treatment for excess nutrients and other pollutants before returning the clean water to the ground. Weston Sampson's role on this project was owner's project manager. Working closely with the owner, which is the town of Mashpee, we have overseen the collaborative team, the engineer of record, the construction contractor, subcontractors, and others on the project to bring the project phase 1 to conclusion. And recently, our Weston Sampson Services arm was awarded the 3-year contract operations of the facility. So we're excited to embark on this ongoing effort and see this project into the future. Now I'll turn it over to Amanda Gould to talk more about the construction phase, and then Laura Johnson to talk about the functional wastewater treatment facility that we operate.
As the on-site representative, I serve as the eyes and ears for my team throughout the construction phase. My role primarily focuses on coordinating with the engineer's resident representative, monitoring day-to-day progress, and keeping the office team informed on field activities. Additionally, I help to ensure that the work stays aligned with the budget, schedule, and project requirements.
So the Mashpee WRRF site is currently staffed by our operations staff who's been working in the Cape Cod area for well over a decade now, including the town of Mashpee and facilities located in Mashpee. Our operations staff is staffed by Brian Garrity, Paul DeLeonatis, Miles Malone. We started staffing this site starting June 23rd, and we started receiving flow in early August. Currently, our flows are running anywhere from 30 to over 40,000 gallons a day, with over 400 houses hooked up to the facility for the first phase. All right, so a brief overview of the wastewater facility and the collection system. Out in the field, we have a series of houses that are connected to 2 different lift stations through gravity feed, and then we have a series of houses that are closer to the facility connected to the gravity feed itself. Coming into the facility, you have the Influent pump station, followed by the preliminary treatment facility, which is the screening units, which then flows over to your pre-anoxic tank, your aeration tank, your post-anoxic tank, your membrane tanks. Then it goes inside through the UV disinfection and is then discharged to the sand beds outside.